Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need Microsoft 365 Excel with the data from picture feature enabled and a clear JPG. Open the workbook where you want the table. Once ready, go to the Data tab and choose from Picture. Then from File, pick your JPG. Excel immediately uploads and starts optical character recognition. This first step launches the conversion engine, so make sure the image is cropped to the table area. Poor framing increases recognition errors and creates extra cleanup work later. Once Excel shows the review pane, carefully inspect every row and column. You'll see recognize text grouped by cells, correct misread characters, convert ambiguous digits like 0/8, and confirm decimal separators. Use the line tools in the pane to split or merge cells that OCR mislocated. After accepting, Excel inserts a table, then convert column types, number, date, text, and run text to columns for delimited fields. This middle phase is where most accuracy gains happen. After insertion, format the range as a proper table and save. Once done, validate sums, filters, and data types. Make any structural tweaks in Power Query if you need joins or transforms. If Excel's data from picture is missing, use the Excel mobile app's Insert Data from Picture or capture the JPG with Office Lens, upload to OneDrive, and reopen in Desktop Excel. That workflow feeds the same OCR. Tip: if OCR fails repeatedly, retake the photo with higher contrast and straight-on framing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.